Dad, please don't harm him. You know I love him very much. He didn't do it intentionally. He's not himself. Dad, please. Please! Dad! If anything happens to him, I'll kill myself.
No, Lena, don't. Don't worry, he won't kill him.
Mike.
I just told you! If anything happens to him, I'll kill myself! I'll kill myself, Mommy! Leave him now!
Where is your son?
Welcome, Nana.
Don't Nana me. I said, where is your son?
My son?
Yes.
He went out.
Listen, I suppose by now you must have heard what your son did to my daughter.
My son?
Yes.
Nana, I'm not aware of what he's done, but whatever he's done, please enjoy it and forgive him.
How can you expect me to forgive him? How?
Nana, please calm down. Let me have a chat with you. You see, what I'm seeing about this Maxwell and Matilda relationship has gone beyond the ordinary. I suggest we put our heads together and look for a lasting solution. I suspect there's some spiritual influence.
Listen, I don't care under what influence your son is operating. Let him mind his attitude towards my daughter. I will not have to warn you again.
Anyone who says that women have no power is a liar. If Chief Barnabas wants to contest, he must have to come and see us right here. Of course, he's not bigger than Chief Ignatius or Nana Akwesi Ajiman. And neither is he bigger than Nana Kwame Wusuansi.
You are right. People make mistakes when they underestimate women, forgetting that women are like gold. If you dig your way down, you will find them. And if you have them, you have everything.
And that is not all, my dear. To be a successful politician, you must have women around you. Because if you have women around you, you will have the power to control men. After all, we tell them what to say, where to say, and when to say it. So you see, we are the answer to all politicians. We have to play ball with them.
Finally, who is our candidate for now?
For now, none of them is our candidate. For the highest bidder will be our candidate. Because money talks. So remember, my good
Silver money man.
my good
Silver money man.
So. We have to send a letter to them and wait for their reply.
You are Matilda. This is part 1 now. Let's get to part 2. Stop! You think you can deprive the poor ones their happiness and their love? You are warned. Leave Matilda alone. Next time.
Matilda, I am sorry. I heard what happened between you and those hooligans.
Thanks for your concern.
Sorry, oh.
You may have a seat.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh. You think you can deprive the poor ones their happiness and their love? You are warned. Leave Matilda alone.
You bastard! You think I don't know you're the instrument to what happened? You send those boys to assault me. Look, Tom, even if I'm blind, I will never love you. Useless mechanic.
Oh God, you are my shepherd.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my daughter.
Any news about him?
I thought you were going to bring me news about him.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It might interest you to know that not scared of losing your wealth, but I'm rather scared of losing my love. Good day.
Maxwell!
Love, you give me hope, you give me happiness, you give me joy, you give me sunshine, life, could be so cruel. You gave me hopelessness and made me cry, you make me want to die. All I have and all that I have lived for. Oh, mother, you did this to me. Oh, mother, you did this to me. Nothing to show. Yeah. The loss of the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Oh, money. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. The root of all evil. Be a dream that I dream. Yeah. The loss of the end of the road.
Hey, Max! Hey! Get up!
Somebody help me.
I need to see her now, please.
Who should I tell?
Just say Peter, Maxwell's old schoolmate. Please, it's important.
Oh, hold on.
Hello, Peter.
Good day, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please sit down. It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure you've seen your friend Maxwell.
Yes.
But what's wrong with you?
Ma'am, accident.
What accident?
He had an accident. I mean Maxwell.
Maxwell?
Yes, he's in the hospital. He was knocked down by a car.
No. Peter, please tell me it's not true.
He's in Asafoje Hospital.
Welcome, Mom.
How are you, my daughter?
Well, thank you.
Nurse, please call the doctor for me.
All right.
You devil! Have you seen what you've caused my son? Come on, get out of here before I give you the shock of your life. Out!
Love, you give me hope. You give me happiness. You give me joy. You give me sunshine.
Madam, please, we don't allow such noise here.
I'm sorry, my daughter.
Give me hopelessness and made me cry. You make me want to die.
Oh, Father, don't worry. He'll be just fine. At least we have to thank God he's alive.
Oh, money, the root of all evil. Money, you hurt me, you know. The root of all evil. Let's look the end of the road.
Matilda! Matilda! Yes, Mama. Come.
Mama.
How much are you charging?
2,000. With us.
What is the matter?
It's Maxwell.
Maxwell? Did he finally ditch you?
No, Mama. That is not the issue. He had an accident yesterday. I was sitting with him at the ward when his mother chased me out of the ward.
God. Look, don't you worry. He'll be all right. Give everything to God.
Yes, that reminds me. How would Maxwell feel knowing that Lena is not here at this crucial moment?
How can you talk like that? If we let Lena know about the accident, she'll come running back from her trip and that will disrupt our plans concerning this Matilda girl.
Yes, I think you are right. We have to let Maxwell know she has traveled. Meanwhile, let me talk to Nane's men. Mike!
Yes, madam.
Remember what I told you.
Yes, madam.
Shall we?
Mama, please. Don't, please, Mama. Please.
Hey! What do you have in that bag?
Some fruit. I'm going to give it to my son who has just had an accident.
Who is your son? Shameless woman. Do you think you can have me as your son? The two of you, out of this place. Out!
But he's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend. Your husband, rather. Out! Come on, get out of this place. Out! Come on now. Yeah.
Are you all right? Yes, Mom. I see.
So this is what has been going on all this while. This is how Matilda pays me for all the trouble I went through? No, no, no! I can't believe it, no!
You know, you just came back from the hospital. Don't trouble yourself about it. Just sit down. Sit down. And have your drink. We women are all the same. If you don't fear us, you'll never live long. Women. Women.
I think Mexico will do.
I suggest China.
China? No, that's a wrong number. Can any of you here eat with chopsticks?
So, Dad, what do you think?
Well, if I had my way, I'll settle for God's own country, US of A.
No way. America?
Yes.
It's too hot for my liking.
All right, Lena, you make the choice.
I think London is the place.
London?
I see you want to visit the Queen Elizabeth.
We already have Queen Elizabeth here.
Yes, Mommy.
Pregnant. If you think you can tie me down with your tricks, you have another thing coming. Pregnant for me or for him? Get out of here, you, this public dog.
Young lady, your mission has been a failure. My son knows nothing about that bastard in your womb.
Oh, ma. Maxwell. Tom and I.
Hey! Hey! Back away from me!
Maxwell is
Morris!
a plot.
Morris!
Maxwell.
Oga, are they come?
It's impossible.
Get them out of here right now! Right now!
Maxwell.
I beg, madam.
Please.
You don't talk finish. Make you they go quick.
Please.
Make you they go.
Papa, don't push me.
Push them away!
They go quick, quick.
Oh, Maxwell, I love you very much.
I love you too, Lena.
I can't wait to tell Mom and Dad. Finally! This calls for a toast.
Oh, yes, it does. To you and to me, forever together, till death do us part.
Cheers! Oh, Maxwell, I am so happy.
It's not my fault, Matilda. I don't make these laws. The board does. But excuses are becoming just too much. Today, if there's not a problem here, tomorrow there will be there. I'm getting sick and tired of it.
Please, madam.
Why don't you go home and sort out your problems?
Please.
I'm very sorry.
Please, madam, just give me a second chance.
Excuse me, Matilda.
That's all I live on, madam.
Matilda, excuse me. Get out!
See, poverty oppress the poor, make them unhappy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I loved her. Oh, mother, you caused this. Where is my love? Where is my son?
Maxwell!
Nana?
What a beautiful place you have here.
Thank you, Nana.
It's just ideal for both of you. Lena?
Yes, Dad.
This is a paradise for you, you know. kind of reminds one of a nest where I know you're likely to lay so many eggs.
Oh, Dad!
You're right, Nana. And we're going to start working on it immediately.
Yes, you should. Yes, you should. Don't let any moment slip by.
Matilda.
Yes, Mom.
You see, I've sold all my tomatoes. I don't have money to buy more tomatoes. I don't have money. You see, I've started selling my clothes. What are we going to do?
Mom, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do now.
Why don't we go and see Maxwell? He might be able to help us out of this situation.
I'm not going to see that bastard. After all that he has done to me. Oh,
Don't cry.
And so what? So what?
Oh, Max, please, why don't you listen to her? Just give her a chance, please.
What can I do for you?
Son, it's Matilda. She's in labor, and in case she delivers, I don't have anything at home. I don't have money.
So what do you expect me to do? Give you money for a bastard child?
Who else?
Please leave. I said leave. Don't force me to push you out. I said leave.
Max,
I didn't. You asked me.
Who's
Why should you
responsible?
push me out? You are
Leave.
responsible.
Hey, what is the matter? Hey, what's the matter? Stop. What is the matter?
Uncle, it's my ball.
Uncle, it's fine.
It's from now.
It's our ball.
Wait. Whose ball is this?
Uncle, it's
Uncle,
our
it's
ball.
for me.
It's our ball.
It's my ball.
Hey, wait.
Ow! Ow, Ma!
Whose ball is this?
Uncle, it's our ball.
How did you come by?
I contributed my money.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, you go. I will see your parents this evening. Okay? Go.
I'll beat you.
Hey, don't beat him, oh. Matilda! Matilda! Wait, I'll get a taxi.
Papi!
Long life and prosperity to your family and plenty of
children.
TV News at 9. The soccer fiesta between Nigeria and Ghana left soccer fans unsatisfied yesterday as it ended 3-3 draw. My name is Josephine Ewe, the news in detail. The notorious pack of Hima was responsible for the disappearance and death of countless women, including pregnant ones, were yesterday apprehended by the police following a tip-off from an eyewitness. Don't go away. We will be back after this message.
Williams's daughter is back from the grave, and she is the visitor. Eagle Motion Pictures and Miracle Films present, for the first time ever, a Nigerian and Ghanaian film collaboration. The Visitor, the multi-faced visitor, the invisible visitor. The Visitor, starring Peter Bono, Zach Oji, Tony Umez, Emmanuel Ama, Clem Ohameze, Trisha Esebe, Nat Banini, and introducing Kwame Owusu Ansa, The Visitor.
Now, say like Miracle Films, Opera Square, Pra, and Edum Kumasi, Joe Media Craft Hollywood, HM Technical, Takradi, Cape Coast and Accra, Despite Music Shop Accra, more video shops nationwide.
Welcome back. A Boeing 747 Jumbo jet that took off yesterday from Mexico, bound for Accra, never touched down as it plunged head first into the sea. It is believed that the jet encountered turbulent weather. However, a conclusive reason for the crash has not been ascertained. All passengers on board are confirmed dead. Among the deceased were Chief Moses Kofi, Reverend Emmanuel Ansa, Nana Akwesi Ajima and his wife Elizabeth Ajima. No!
Oh, money, the root of all evil. Money, you hurt me, you know. The root of all evil. A dream that I dream. Yeah. The lost of the end of the road. Yeah. See, poverty oppress the poor, make them unhappy, make them sad. Oh, yes, I loved her. Oh, mother, you caused this. Where is my love? Where is my son? All I have and all that I have before. Oh, mother, you did this to me. I'm worthless, my mother, you showed this to me. The loss of the end of the road. Oh, money, the root of all evil. Oh, mother, you hurt me, you know. Could this be a dream that I dream? The loss of the end of the road.